Hello children, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss chapter surface chemistry. In that our topic is types of adsorption. Types of adsorption. So there are two types of adsorption. First is physisorption and second is chemosorption. Here we will see physisorption and chemosorption. Here accumulation of gaseous molecules at the surface by weak van der Waals forces is called physisorption. The accumulation of gaseous molecules at the surface by weak van der Waals forces is called physisorption. Next is here chemisorption. What is chemisorption? Will write here accumulation of gaseous molecule. We can change by changing some. We can change it. We can write from this only. Here, if I change this here. Chemisorption. So what we have to change here? Accumulation of gaseous molecule at the surface by chemical bond. By chemical bond is called chemisorption. Yeah. Accumulation of gaseous molecule at the surface by chemical bonds is called chemisorption. What is physisorption? I told you physisorption, accumulation of gaseous molecule at the surface by weak van der Waals forces is called physisorption. Chemisorption, accumulation of gaseous molecules at the surface by chemical bond is called chemisorption. Here chemical bond may be covalent bond or ionic bond. Now we will discuss characteristics of physisorption and chemisorption. So now we are going to discuss characteristics of physisorption. So there are some characteristics of physisorption. First is lack of specificity. Second is nature of adsorbate. Third is reversible nature. reversible nature. And fourth is surface area of adsorbent. Surface area of adsorbent. And last is enthalpy of adsorption. Last is enthalpy of adsorption. Enthalpy of adsorption. So one by one we will discuss it. First is lack of specificity. Second, nature of adsorbate, reversible nature. Fourth is surface area of adsorbent, and fifth is enthalpy of adsorption. So these are the 5 characteristics of Fischer-Johnson. So here we are going to discuss one by one a factor or characteristics of Fischer-Johnson. First is lack of specificity. What is means here? A given surface does not show any preference for any particular gas, as van der Waals forces are universal force. Means due to van der Waals forces, this surface does not show any preference for any gas. Whatever gases are there, they may absorb at the surface by van der Waals forces. So because of van der Waals forces, they do not show any preference. Second is nature of adsorbate. So I have already told you that what are the adsorbate. Adsorbate means that is being absorbed at the surface. Here means amount of gas adsorbed at the surface depends upon the nature of adsorbate. If adsorbate is easily liquefiable, so that will be adsorbed at the surface very easily, because at critical temperature, near the critical temperature, van der Waals forces are maximum. Here, that amount of gas adsorbed depends upon the nature of gas. Amount of gas adsorbed depend upon the nature of gas, means nature of adsorbate. Easily liquefiable gases are readily adsorbed as the van der Waals forces are stronger near the critical temperature. So what we have seen, one point we have to mark, what here, van der Waals forces are stronger near the critical temperature. Van der Waals forces are what? Van der Waals forces are stronger near the critical temperature. Next is a reversible nature. When Fischer-Johnson is a reversible nature due to weak van der Waals forces, and this process is exothermic. So according to La Chatelier principle, low temperature and high pressure are favorable for this. Low temperature and high pressure is favorable for this. Means here it is reversible. Physical absorption of gas at solid is a reversible process. It is an exothermic process according to La Chatelier principle. Low temperature and high pressure are favorable for this. So La Chatelier principle you have studied in class 11, chapter equilibrium. So you may go there, and from there you can confirm La Chatelier principle. So according to this, low temperature and high pressure is favorable for the absorption of gases, and here molecules are absorbed at the surface at normal pressure and normal temperature. So it is a reversible in nature. high pressure and low temperature. High pressure, normal pressure is there, so it will be adsorb at normal temperature, at normal pressure, so it will be reversible. High pressure is favorable for this, and low temperature, so temperature is not so much low. Temperature also, average temperature is 40 to 45. If temperature is very low, temperature is very low like 10, 5, then it will be not reversible. Next is surface area of adsorbent. So we can say surface area of adsorbent directly proportional to the adsorption. Surface area of adsorbent means as the surface area of adsorbent increases, the adsorption increase. And last is enthalpy of adsorption. So enthalpy of adsorption is very low due to weak van der Waals forces. Here enthalpy of adsorption is very low, is 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole due to weak van der Waals forces. So here we have discussed the properties or characteristics of Fitzgerald.